We are recording the CZ Scorpion.
Yeah, we shot his Glock out here.
Full auto Glock?
My neighbor comes up, we're gonna go to jail.
Yeah, he was. Y'all gonna all go to jail.
We ain't gonna do shit. You out there, big guy? You shaking, dude?
Oh, got a hit.
Got it.
Those 147 grainers are hitting it pretty hard. It's so much funner shooting with a suppressor because it isn't kaboom in your ears. You could hear the rounds. This is the pimp daddy man. He's the one who gets the ladies' stuffs off, I guess.
Shot open sights like that.
Put a red dot on there, it'd be epic win. Oh, yes.
Stay back.
Oh, you're nailing the hell out of that. Man, you're hitting that shit pretty fucking good, actually.
Oh, yeah. Damn, I ride
That's a
on
pretty
that
good
motherfucker. Stay
freaking...
still.
Well, I'd say about 75 yards away.
Motherfucker. Kept moving on.
Yeah, we got some more ammo in there. How do you like that?
I love that.
That's pretty sweet. It really is.
It's literally like 3 times as less for that over an MP5, and it feels the roll of an MP5 just perfect. Matter of fact, there's videos on YouTube of guys driving over those with like forklifts and all kinds of stuff, and it's not having no kind of problems or anything.
I took the clip out.
It's AK status.
Oh, it's on that side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I didn't see it. Okay.
Look at there, mag reloading.
Yeah, I love how like awesome
Yeah.
that shoots.
So you can go buy one of those for around like 800-ish, and then get you a suppressor. They're really freaking.
Yeah, but how do you do that though? How do you just go get a suppressor?
I bought mine at silencershop.com. Some forms you got to fill out, and once you get approved. Oh my!
Stay back, boys.
Hey.
Uh-uh.
Y'all get up there.
Stay behind where people are shooting.
Let's see. Is there any more? Or is that it?
You know what?
That's safety, you know.
Yeah.
The only thing I don't like about it
Yeah. Ooh.
is the nipple that sticks up on that end.
Oh, could
It's
be.
too fucking
Yeah,
fat for
it
me.
is fat. Yeah.
Mine's got to be thinner so I can be able to see a little bit better.
That you can order aftermarket. Yeah,
Come on.
you're nailing the hell out of that.
Hell
Damn,
yeah.
that's actually pretty fucking good.
There you go. Oh, we got competition out
Yeah.
here. Competition, that's it.
Dude, that's actually pretty good.
Missed it.
Yeah, that's actually pretty freaking good. Oh, you gotta pull it back. Or you can hit the button on the side too. There's a button on the side. Yeah, you can do that too.
Where's the button out on the side?
Boop. There you go. You need to get you one. I think everybody should have Scorpions.
Need to get this. This
I
is not as
I
thick.
think, is there any more?
Like you
Yeah.
should have. It's so thick. Yeah, if it was, that bitch needs to be thinner so you can actually